Once upon a time, in a picturesque village nestled between rolling hills and lush green fields, lived a spirited 12-year-old girl named Amma. The village was a close-knit community where everyone knew each other, and life unfolded like the pages of a storybook. Amma was a bright and curious girl, known for her infectious laughter and boundless energy. She had a special place in her heart for the village school, where she learned about the wonders of the world and made friends who were like family. One sunny morning, Amma woke up with a sparkle in her eyes. It was a special day, a school holiday. The entire village seemed to echo with joy as children ran through the streets, their laughter echoing in the air. Amma, with her friends in tow, decided to embark on an adventure that would make this day unforgettable. The group of friends wandered through meadows filled with wildflowers, their laughter creating a melody that danced with the wind. As they walked, they stumbled upon an ancient, mysterious-looking forest at the edge of the village. Excitement filled the air as they decided to explore its enchanting depths. The forest was a magical realm, with sunlight filtering through the towering trees, casting dappled shadows on the forest floor. Birds chirped melodiously, and butterflies painted the air with their vibrant wings. Amma and her friends felt like they had stepped into a fairy tale. Deeper into the forest, they discovered a hidden glade adorned with sparkling fireflies. In the center of the glade stood an ancient tree with a trunk that seemed to tell tales of centuries past. Beneath its branches, they found a collection of colorful stones that shimmered like precious gems. As Amma reached out to touch one of the stones, the magic of the forest came alive. The stones glowed brighter, and suddenly, the entire glade was filled with the ethereal music of laughter. The friends found themselves surrounded by playful woodland creatures, rabbits, squirrels, and even a wise old owl. The woodland creatures guided Amma and her friends through a series of magical challenges, testing their courage, wit, and teamwork. As the day unfolded, Amma realized that the true magic lay in the bonds they shared and the joy of discovering the wonders hidden within the ordinary. As the sun began to set, casting a warm, golden glow over the forest, Amma and her friends bid farewell to their newfound woodland friends. They left the enchanted forest with hearts full of gratitude and memories that would last a lifetime. As Amma returned to her village, she couldn't help but feel a deep sense of appreciation for the beauty that surrounded her every day. The village, with its simple charm, had become even more enchanting, and Amma carried the magic of the day in her heart. And so, in the heart of the village, beneath the starlit sky, Amma drifted into a peaceful sleep, surrounded by the warmth of her family and the magic of the village that would forever be etched in her dreams.